Jacqueline.
And I'm Sophia.
We're so excited that you're here with us to kick off the holiday season.
All right, we've compiled a whole bunch of, we compiled a different amount of like readings, poems, and we have a short play, and a little bit of stuff in between to celebrate this season. And we're excited that you guys are here to celebrate it with us.
We have an amazing group of readers and performers, and we're so excited for you guys to be able to see it.
Yes, they have put in so much hard work and dedication into this show, and we're happy that you guys are here to see how their hard work is paid off. So let's make sure we give everyone a round of applause before and after they come on stage. Okay?
And with further ado, we have our first reading, Stop by the Woods on a Snowy Evening, read by Violet.
Give a round of applause, please.
Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near, between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sound the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. And miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep.
Thank you so much, Violet. Next we have a little song. We're having Sleigh Ride performed by Benjamin Wilkinson and the Jingle Bells. Let's welcome them on stage.
I should be using 23. Pay attention to how he sounds. If he's overwhelmingly aggressive, that's what
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring ting a tingling. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, let's go. Let's look at the show. We're riding in a wonderland of snow. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, it's grand, just holding your hand. We're riding along with the song of a wintry fairyland. Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy and cozy are we. We're snuggled up together like two birds of a feather would be. Let's take that road before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Giddy up, let's go. Let's look at the show. We're riding in a wonderland of snow. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, it's grand, just holding your hand. We're riding along with the song of a wintry fairyland. Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy and cozy are we. We're snuggled up together like two birds of a feather would be. Let's take that road before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Sleigh ride together with you. Sleigh ride together with you. Sleigh ride together with you.
made myself a snowball as perfect as could be. I thought I'd keep it as a pet and let it sleep with me. I made it some pajamas and a pillow for its head, but last night it ran away. But first it wet the bed.
All right, hello. Next we have a little stop motion film. It's called Shiver the Last Star, and it's made by Jake Ortiz. So let's give him a round of applause.
What's good, man? Look at all the snow we got.
No, man, it's amazing. But where's Bobby?
Oh, man, let me try calling him.
Ha, you still use that old thing? Ow.
Ha! That's what you get. What's good, Bobby?
Hey, you guys alright?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe I just got headshot by a snowball. And look at that, you did too.
Oh my god! Oh my god, what is that? What is that?
Jesus, man, what is what?
There's red in the snow. Are you people blind?
What are you doing? Don't touch it.
Guys?
See, what do you see?
Jacob, by any chance, did you fall in the snow?
I found the snow, but not the red snow. That can't be possible.
No, man, see for yourself to see your face around.
Oh, what the hell? That can't be possible.
Listen, man.
Don't touch me. I'm not paranoid. I know what I saw.
Oh, did you see this?
Something's off, really off about this place. And if you don't believe me, the proof is right in my hand.
Man, I get the point that you're trying to make. But you look at this, you gotta use your head. You know that something's off, but you won't admit it.
How am I possibly supposed to believe this? It was probably an animal that did it. You gotta use context clues, man. Come on. Maybe what's off is what's going on in your head.
Man, how can anyone think we have to do something nowadays?
You gotta go.
Why can't anyone believe me? Why do people say I'm paranoid, man? What am I doing anyway? None of this is real. None of it is real. I'm in my own head, and I need to save myself before it gets worse. Jesus Christ, what?
Man, you gotta help us. You were right. Something is off about this place.
Oh, I see what is happening here. When I see it, you don't believe me, but when you see it for yourselves, you believe it.
You have to believe it because there's a frozen tree on our way home. Meet me back here.
Whatever, bro, I'll think about it. Well. Look at what we have here. The person who didn't believe me to begin with. You're a snake, you know that?
We're always supposed to believe in something that we didn't see.
Guys, listen, we have to all relax. You need to calm down that anger. See, this is what it wants. It wants us divided so we can pick us off one by one.
Listen, man, I'm sorry. I'm just too much in my head. But don't rush it, okay? And also if I act up again, don't hesitate to try and get me back into shape.
That one will.
Holy crap, what is this? Oh my god, he's real! What the hell are you?
See for yourself.
How did this get here? Now, Albert Einstein rising here, I don't know. But we need a plan.
Just take him out already, please.
So I want to do the same thing as you, but we need a plan, okay?
Our plan is to protect you. Let's get on.
Listen, man, don't rush things, okay? Don't rush it.
So you're saying and thinking and not taking action. Whoever did this has probably already succeeded.
Am I the only one that just saw that thing?
Oh! Boy, how the hell did you move that sleigh by yourself?
Wow, this is amazing. Rudolph will go so nice. This is really clear slate tonight.
Listen, how do you steer this thing? Whoa! Well, guess I got my answer.
Help me. Help me. Hello. No.
I got you. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I got you.
Jesus, how did you end up on the back of the sleigh? Oh my god, that's a story for another day.
Oh. My God, he's actually real.
Oh my god, who are you? What do you want? Listen, all you do is hesitate, rush, and believe in fake things. And I'm here to teach you. No! You are going to pay for that. That's wrong. The starting schedule was right about that. Well, if I'm going down, I'm going to go down on having a Christmas one night. Who do you want? Go ahead. What's stopping you? Frosty on your tongue? Wait, go ahead. There. Prove everyone on it. I want to take everything from you and put it in an even more sick than you already were. Where the story ends. Why does no one believe in what I do? Why does no one believe in me? Why does no one believe in what I could be? I'm gonna make them believe. Don't hesitate. Need a plan. Use your head, man. Come on. You're turning out to be just like him right now. I'm going to take everything away from you. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals.
Your company students.
Next slide. This story is about a lot cake. A lot cake is a potato pancake. It is crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and extremely delicious. This particular lot cake had just been born in a tiny village covered in snow. Born, in this case, meaning made from grated potatoes, chopped onion, beaten eggs, a dash or two of salt, and then dropped into a pan of sizzling oil. Latkes are eaten during Hanukkah, a holiday that commemorates a miracle. A miracle involving resilience, faith, and oil that lasted far longer than anyone expected. And nearly everything in this world is born screaming. Yes, exactly that. The latke leapt off the pan, out the window, and ran screaming into the snow, where it came face to face with...
Oh, a screaming hash brown? What holiday are you for? I am not a hash brown, I am a latke. I'm fried in oil to remember a miracle. Long ago, when my people were outnumbered and forbidden from practicing their religion, they fought back. They reclaimed their temple, and when they went to light it, they found enough oil for only one night. Unfortunate, it lasted for 8. 8 nights of light, 8 nights of hope. 8 nights of oil that absolutely should not have worked, but it did anyway. Oh, I light up too. See? We are not the same! Oh!
And the latke ran on, still screaming, until it came upon...
Hey, I'm busy filling the night with peppermint cheer. And you are oily.
This is not just oil. This oil reminds us of survival.
That sounds stressful.
Of hiding secret texts in caves. Of pretending to gamble with the spinning top called a dreidel. And yes, I know it was stressful, it really was. But it reminds us that things were better now than they were then.
So, festive hash browns.
I am not hash browns! Ah!
The lofty screams echoed through the snow as it ran into...
Halt. Identify yourself. I am a Latka, and I'm screaming because no one understands what I represent. Do you dance? Fight mice? Transform at midnight? No! I commemorate resilience, hope, faith that lasts longer than expected. I'm symbolically significant! So, no mice? Ah!
The Lockheed ran until its screams grew quieter. Not because it felt misunderstood, but because it was exhausting.
Does anyone know what a Latka is?
And for the first time, the Lockheed stopped screaming.
Oh, you do? You understand that I am not Christmas. And that's okay. Different things don't have to be the same to belong in the same season. Would anyone like applesauce or sour cream?
And so the Lockheed finally felt understood, which really is the greatest miracle of all.
Happy holidays!
Woo! What a lovely performance, guys. Woo! Let's give them another round of applause. Yay! Now we have another song and a dance. It is the Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy. The music is by the Jingle Bells, and Edmo Clow and Hitty Tang will be dancing. Let's give them a round of applause.
Sorry, I'm a little bit nervous. How's everybody doing today? All right, good. All right. Now, I know most of us are ready for winter break. Yeah, everybody's chill, slug. Are you guys ready to see a performance? Yeah. All right, here we go. All right, so I am not the only magician in the school. That's for a fact. Because I found someone who can do magic more better than me. Please welcome Hendrix. All right. Ready? Let's begin. So we have 3 gift boxes over there under the tree. We're gonna pick 3 volunteers. Only 3. Don't raise your hands. Don't raise your hands yet. Only 3. Only 3. Okay? And once I call you, come up, stand next to Hendrix. Ready?
Someone from Nightingale has volunteered to help us with this trip. Say, why don't you come on? Say, where's Sid?
Sid not here? Oh, okay. Okay, so here, we have oh boy, sorry. We have a deck of cards here, but it's not an ordinary deck. There's gift ideas written on every single card. So for instance, badminton racket, comic book, you know, whatever. So what I'm gonna ask all of you guys to do is to just take one. So Wade, can you just tap on a card, please? This one? Do you wanna change it or are you good? You're good? Okay, here we go. So look at that, don't show anyone. Okay, now Schwab, tap on one. Oh boy, sorry. Wait. What? Okay. You don't like it? Okay. Tap on a card, so sorry. Oh. This one, are you sure? Okay. Wait, this one? Alright, here you go, take that. Okay, and then finally Sid, tap on a card. Oh, you can't take that one. No, you can't here. Okay, so all of you guys just look at that card, and I want you to focus on the idea more than the physical card. So you can put it in your pocket, give it back to me, burn it, do whatever you want. But focus on the idea. So now, like Albert said, here, hold these. We have some gifts over here, and he said that we would be giving them all to you. So let's go do that. Here. This is for you.
I've never seen that.
And for you.
That's crazy. Should we turn up mic?
Yes.
No. I've never seen someone use a mic like that.
Here you go, Sid. I don't like this. Okay. So now I want you to all concentrate on that idea, and I want you to start to imagine that maybe there's something inside. It would be funny if there isn't, but no. And now, one by one, please tell me your gift idea, and tell the entire audience. So what was yours?
Like that.
Yeah.
It's like fluffy and it's comfy.
Yeah.
Oh, plushy.
Plushy, okay. What's yours?
A purse.
And what's yours?
A painting.
A painting. Now, look at the tags. These are the tags, everybody. And open your gifts. It might take a second, guys.
You got it.
Sorry, the ribbon was Alright, we can,
What's inside? Another box! What you always wanted! It's a painting! And what do you have?
A plushie.
Yeah! Here, okay.
we couldn't have known this before, right? No. Can Tech please move to the next slide, if you can? You will see on this prediction we have purse, painting, and plushie. There we go.
Happy holidays, everybody. Have a great New Year.
Thank you, everyone. I've been the Thompson Harris Magic Man.
Oh, I'm Hendrix.
And happy holidays. Thank you. Goodbye. And you guys can keep the gifts too. Yeah. You can just give me the. Yeah.
Mike 10.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody. This has been Seasons Readings Program A. And by my clock, we are 4 minutes to spare, right on time. That is it. Hope you enjoyed your festivities. If we don't see you, happy holidays, however you celebrate. Once more, big round of applause to everybody here. All right, don't forget there's delicious food out in the hallways. Fawn Market is after school, so please pick up your stuff. It's on every single floor, so make sure you check that out. Shameless plug to Nightingale Theatre Company, floor 5. Come check out the thrift store. And I hope you have a lovely, lovely holiday, folks. Thank you so much for being a great audience.
Presented by Nightingale Theatre Company and friends, I'm Jess.
I'm Sophia.
We're so excited to have you here with us today, helping us kick off the holiday season.
We've compiled a whole bunch of readings, short stories, a short play, and a little stuff in between to help celebrate the holiday season, and we're glad you guys are here with us.
We're really proud of all our performers and readers for contributing their time, and we hope that you guys will appreciate it just as much as us.
We appreciate everyone's hard work that they put into this show, and we're happy that you guys are here to see how their hard work has paid off. So make sure to give everyone a round of applause when they come on stage, okay?
All right, now let's get started. Our first reading is A Child's Christmas in Wales, read by Haley B.
It was on the afternoon of the day of Christmas Eve, and I was in Mr. Potter's garden, waiting for cats with her son Jim. It was snowing. It was always snowing at Christmas. December, in my memory, is wet as Lapland, though there are no reindeers. But there were cats. Patient, cold, and callous, our hands wrapped in socks, we waited to snowball the cats. Sleek and long as jaguars and terrible whisper, spitting and snarling, they would swing and slide over the white back garden walls, and the lynx-eyed hunters, Jim and I, fur-capped and moccasined trappers, would hurl our deadly snowballs at the green of their eyes. The wise cats never appeared. We were Eskimo-footed, Arctic marksmen in the muffled silence of the eternal snow's eternal, ever since Wednesday. We were so still that we never heard Mrs. Potter's first cry from her igloo at the bottom of the garden. Or if we heard it at all, it was to us like the far-off challenge of our enemy and prey, the neighbor's polar cat. Soon the voice grew louder. "Fire!" cried Mrs. Prothero, and she beat the dinner gong. And we ran down the garden with the snowballs in our arms, towards the house, and smoke indeed was pouring out of the dining room, and the gong was bomb-belating, and Mrs. Prothero was announcing ruin like a town crier in Pompeii. This was better than all the cats in Wales, standing on the wall in a row. We bounded into the house, laden with snowballs, and stopped at the open door of the smoke-filled room. Something was burning, all right. Perhaps it was Mr. Prothero, who always slept there after midday dinner with a newspaper over his face. But he was standing in the middle of the room, saying, "A fine Christmas," and smacking at the smoke with a slipper. "Call the fire brigade," cried Mrs. Prothero as she beat the gong. "We won't be there," said Mr. Prothero. "It's Christmas." There was no fire to be seen, only clouds of smoke, and Mr. Prothero was standing in the middle of them, waving his slipper as though he were conducting. "Do something," he said, and we threw our snowballs into the smoke. "I think we must
Prothero and ran out of the house to a telephone box. Let's call the police as well, Jim said, and the ambulance. And Ernie Jenkins, he likes fires. But we only called the fire brigade, and soon the fire engine came and 3 tall men in helmets brought a hose into the house, and Mr. Prothero got out just in time before they turned it on. Miss Prothero, Jim's aunt, came downstairs and peered in at them. Jim and I waited to hear what she would say. She always said the right thing. She looked at the 3 tall firemen in their shining helmets, standing among the smoke and cinders and dissolving snowballs, and she said, "Would you like something to read?"
Okay, now we have a song being performed by Ben and the Jingle Bells. It's a Christmas song. Let's give it up for them. Woo!
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carol being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to
Thank you so much for another lovely performance. Next, we have The Lockey Who Couldn't Stop Screaming, directed and performed by Nightingale Theatre Company students.
Christmas dog. No, but I don't know what's going on.
This story is about a latkes. A latkes is a potato pancake. It is crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and extremely delicious. This particular latkes had just been born in a tiny village covered in snow. Born, in this case, meaning made from grated potatoes, chopped onion, beaten eggs, adapted to a salt, and then dropped into a pan of sizzling
Oh, that's great. Don't let him hear that.
latkes are eaten during Hanukkah, a holiday that commemorates a miracle. A miracle involving resilience, faith, and oil that lasted far longer than anyone expected. And nearly everything in this world is born screaming. Yes, exactly that. The latke leapt out the pan, out the window, and ran screaming into the snow, where it came face to face with...
Oh, a screaming hash brown? What holiday are you for? I am not a hash brown. I'm a latke. I'm fried in oil to remember a miracle. Long ago, when my people were outnumbered and forbidden from practicing their religion, they fought back. They reclaimed their temple, and when they went to light it, they found only enough oil for one night. That is unfortunate. It lasted for 8. 8 nights of light, 8 nights of hope. 8 nights of oil that absolutely should not have worked, but it did anyway. Well, I light up too. See? We are not the same! Ah!
And the latke ran on, still screaming, till it came upon...
Hey, I'm busy filling the night air with peppermint cheer, and you're just oily.
This is not just oil. This oil reminds us of survival, of hiding sacred texts in caves, of pretending to gamble with the spinning top called a dreidel when soldiers came near.
Sounds stressful.
It was, but it reminds us that things are better now than they were before.
So festive hash browns?
I am not a hash brown!
The latke screams echoed through the snow as it ran into...
Halt. Identify yourself. I'm a latke, and I'm screaming because no one understands what I represent.
Do you dance? Do you fight mice? Do you transform at midnight?
No! I commemorate resilience, hope, faith that lasts longer than expected. I am symbolically significant!
So, no mice?
Ah!
The latke ran and ran until the screams grew quieter. Not because it felt misunderstood, but because it was exhausted.
Does anyone know what a latke is?
And for the first time, the latke stopped screaming.
Oh, you do? You don't understand that I am not Christmas. And that's okay. Different things don't have to be the same to belong in the same season. Would anyone like applesauce? Or sour cream?
And so the latke finally felt understood, which really is the greatest miracle of all.
Happy holidays!
Wow, what a lovely performance, am I right, guys? Am I right, guys? Okay, now we have a reading. It is by Shaw Silverstein, and it is read by Sid Singh. So let's give her a round of applause.
Hello, bros. Okay, A Christmas Dog by Shaw Silverstein. Okay. Tonight's my first night as a watchdog, and here it is, Christmas Eve. The children are sleeping, all cozy upstairs, while I'm guarding the stockings and tree. What's that now? Footsteps on the rooftop? Could it be a cat or a mouse? Who's this down the chimney? A thief with a beard, and a big sack for robbing the house? I'm barking, I'm growling, I'm biting his butt. He howls and jumps back in his sleigh. I scared his strange horses. They leap in the air. I frightened the whole bunch away. Now the house is all peaceful and quiet again. The stockings are safe as can be. Won't the kitties be glad when they wake up tomorrow and see how I've guarded the tree?
Thank you for that reading. Next, we have a stop-motion cartoon called Shiver the First Star by Jake Ortiz.
Snowy guy. No, man, it's amazing. What's good, man? Look at all this snowy guy.
No, man, it's amazing. But where's Bobby?
Oh man, let me try calling him.
Ha, you still use that old thing?
Ha, that's what you get. What's good, Bobby?
Hey, you guys alright?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe I just got headshotted by a snowball. And look at that, you did too.
Oh my god! Oh my god, what is that? What is that? There's blood in the snow. Are people blind?
What are you doing? Don't touch it.
No, man, see for yourself to see your face around.
Oh, what the hell? That can't be possible.
Listen, man.
Don't touch me. I'm not paranoid. I know what I saw.
Oh, did you see this?
Something's off, really off about this place. And if you don't believe me, the proof is right in my hand.
How am I possibly supposed to believe this? It was probably an animal that did it. You gotta use context clues, man. Come on. Maybe what's off is what's going on in your head.
Man, how dare I even think we have to do something nowadays?
You gotta go.
Why can't anyone believe me? Why do people say I'm paranoid, man? What am I doing anyway? None of this is real. None of it is real. I'm in my own head, and I need to save myself before it gets worse. Jesus Christ, what?
You gotta help us. You were right. Something is off about this place.
I see what's happening here. When I see it, you don't believe me, but when you see it for yourselves, you believe it.
I have to believe it because there's a frozen tree on our way home. Meet me back here.
Didn't believe me to begin with. You're a snake, you know that?
We're supposed to believe in something that we didn't see.
Guys, listen, we have to all relax. You need to calm down that antler. See, this is what it wants. It wants us divided so it can pick us out one by one.
Listen, man, I'm sorry. I'm just too much in my head. But don't rush it, okay? And also, if I act up again, don't hesitate to try and get me back into shape.
Well, that one will.
Holy crap, what is this? Oh my god, he's real! What the hell are you?
How did this get here?
Now, Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, I don't know. But we need a plan.
Just take him out already, please.
So I want to do the same thing as you, but we need a plan, okay?
Our plan is protect, let's get on.
Listen, man, don't rush things, okay? Don't rush it.
So you're saying and thinking and not taking action. Whoever did this has probably already succeeded.
Am I the only one that just saw that thing?
Oh! Boy, how the hell did you move that swing by yourself?
Wow, this is amazing. Rudolph, with your nose so bright, will you guide this sleigh tonight?
Listen, how do you steer this thing? Whoa! Whoa! Well, guess I got my answer.
Help me. Help me. Hello. No.
I got you. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I got you.
Jesus, how did you end up on the back of the sleigh? Oh my god, that's a story for another day.
Oh my god, he's actually real.
Oh my god, who are you? What do you want? Listen, all you do is hesitate, rush, and believe you think things. And I'm here to make you change. No! You are going to pay for that. That's wrong. It's starting to shiver. It's right about that. Well, if I'm going down, I'm going to go down like I'm in a Christmas dinner. Prove me wrong. Go ahead. What's stopping you? Frosty got your tongue? Right. Go ahead. Fail. Prove everyone right. You want to take everything from me. putting me in an even more safe than where I look. Where the story ends. Why does no one believe in what I could be? Why does no one believe in me? Why does no one believe in what I could be? I'm gonna make them believe. Don't hesitate. Be the plan. Use your head, man. Come on. You're turning out to be just like him right now. I'm going to take everything away from you. Fine. Go ahead. Play out and prove that you're right. I'm not gonna fail. Not this time. I can't not see you. I could see through you. I have to save myself before I can save everyone else. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
What an epic stop motion film! Now we have another song performed by the Jingle Bells and a dance performance. The Jingle Bells will be performing Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy, and the dance will be by Haley Tang and Annabelle Close. So let's give them a round of applause.
And next, we have a festive magic trick for you performed from Albert and Hendrix.
This one's different.
How's everyone doing? I will say, this is a much bigger audience than Program A, I have to tell you. No one's laughing. Okay, so, let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you a new magician in the school. Yeah, in the school right now. Ladies and gentlemen, Hendrix.
Maddie, please come up. So,
Okay, so this big box right over here, as you can see, it's empty. Sorry. It's empty, sorry. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have you pick one gift box, and you're gonna put it in here. All right, each of you. Yeah, so yeah.
Alright, good job everybody. I'm going to now close the box. So now we have an empty closed box. Oh, okay, technical difficulties. Sorry. Now we have an empty closed box with a bunch of boxes inside. So, now, oh, I think Albert.
Okay, all right. There's some technical difficulties. I'm sorry. Okay. Now, you guys can go back. So, yeah. You guys can go back. Thank you. Round of applause for amazing volunteers. Very helpful. All right. So, we're going to ask... Got it?
Okay. So, we need somebody else, somebody very special. We've already got him. It's Carter! So, round of applause for Carter!
So there's a little help. Okay, here we go. Ready? We're gonna spin it.
Oh, okay. They're gonna spin the box, which basically accomplishes nothing. But maybe we can make something magical happen. So please, spin the box! 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 Okay, are you guys good? Okay. Alright, now everybody, I need you all to yell out, who is the most magical person in all of Christmas? Santa? Well, we are magicians. Oh, what? We are magicians, so we must get the most magical person. If it's Christmas, Carter, would you do the honors and open the box? From a bunch of empty boxes with small boxes inside, Santa!
Wait, come back. It's actually not Santa. Take off the beard. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Lacker! All right. So, one big announcement before we go. This is the first stage illusion that we've ever done this year. And first off, I'd like to thank the Nightingale program for allowing us to participate and to perform. So a round of applause for them. Yeah. All right. And I'd also like to thank Mr. Montalvo for providing us with these props so we could show you a little bit of Christmas magic. But now we would like to do the most amazingest thing a magician can do. Does anyone know what it is? Disappear, that's right, you got it, come on! Happy holidays!
Okay! Thank you so much for that magical performance. Woo! You guys all love Al with the Magic Man, am I right? Yeah, we do. Yeah. Okay, and for our next thing, we're gonna have the Jingle Bells. They're performing Linus and
I'm going on. I'm leaving. Did I even bring my bag? I did bring my bag. You guys, I think you guys should leave. I don't really care. I don't know. Have a good break. Kill myself. I think we can leave now. The building closes. Can you I don't fucking know. Don't ask me. I don't know shit. Alright guys, have a good break. See you next year. Mike, time. Ten. Go.
Hello, hello.
Hello. Hello. Thank you so much for being here today. Yes, did you guys like it?
Yeah, everybody, big round of applause. Come on up.
Everyone on stage.
One last round of applause for all of the performers, the jingle bells, the light up trees, the Grinches, the directors, the tech people up there in the booth.
Okay, yeah, round of applause for the jingle bells. They did awesome, and everyone did it. Yay! And of course, round of applause for Magic Man, and of course, round of applause to Tech and also Mr. Lacker for helping coordinate the whole season readings program. Oh yeah, get it.
Alrighty folks, that concludes our season's readings. We hope you have a wonderful holiday break. Don't forget, the Fawn Market is now, I believe, open and live. Check out every floor, has something for you, 4, 5, 6. Shout out to Nightingale Thrift Store.